Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to post 60-second story on Instagram. First of all, go to the App Store. Here, search for Instagram. Update the Instagram app here. Now sign in to Instagram on your device. Tap on your story icon here. After this, select a video from the gallery. Adjust it to 60 seconds video from keyframes. Select Done. After this, select the Share button. Now from your home page, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Help. From the page that opens, select Report a Problem. Tap on Include and Continue. Here, you have to describe your problem that you want a feature that enables your 60-second story on Instagram. And that's it. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.